ASUS Chromebook C202SA-YS02 11.6 inches. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. This is a very solid feeling unit, unlike many inexpensive Chromebooks. All the reviews are spot on about performance and battery life. I take exception to the comments about this unit, or any Chromebook, being limited. Google install Ubuntu on Chromebook and follow the instructions, and you will have a fully functional Linux computer. Install LibreOffice for your Office suite, GIMP for photo editing, Audacity for audio recording and editing, and any other Linux applications you want. Put a 64GB SD card in the slot for all your data. You will have a computer that is more secure than any Windows computer, costs a small fraction of any Mac computer, and can do pretty much anything you want. The world of Linux software is amazing, and it is all free, okay, so it can't manage your iPhone, but it can do darn near anything else. All for under $200. I do not see myself going back to Windows or Mac ever. This little Chromebook netbook is awesome for traveling. It takes a little bit to get used to Chrome's operating system, but once you do you'll discover some very nice proprietary advantages. A small, but nice thing, is not having to right-click anymore. Instead, you simply tap with 2 fingers for word corrections. This is great for someone like me who writes a lot and needs to have a simplified workflow. The battery is long-lasting and the keyboard is a perfect size, even for someone as big as I am. 6'3" 300. Because I use Google Docs to write with, this seemed a natural step. Chromebook seamlessly integrates Google Docs, and most other important apps into the framework of the little machine, so it's very easy to use and get started. The offline stuff is very useful too, as I'm not always in a place where there's Wi-Fi and I can still work on my books. Another nice feature is how light it is. My wife bought a laptop a couple years ago and she would share it with me, begrudgingly, and I always hated working on it because it was big, heavy, and clunky. This little Chromebook weighs next to nothing and is easy to tote around. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.